What's up, guys? We got a 2017 Ford F-350. This will be the method to remove wiper blades on this generation of Ford's F150, F250, F350. It's all the same. I'm going to show you right the wiper arm. Hidden inside is this little tab right here. If you pull it up, you let go. See that? This is the release. So you pull it up, let go. So what you do is you pull it up and then you bring the wiper arm upwards. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, wiper arm upwards, pull it up, and off it comes. Try to do this with one hand to demonstrate. There you go. If I can do it with one hand, you certainly can do it yourself with two.